i-call sheet i-agent ithumela kimi ngiyithola, and for some reason babe nama-changes kwi-production, right? Ama-changes abawenzayo kwi-production sekushintsha affecta my call sheet isikhathi sami sokungena emsebenzini. Angisangeni u-10 ngubone kwi-call sheet engithunyelwe i-agent, right? Sengingena ngo-6 ngiyalinganisa, and leyo nto wena awuyazi, akwenzeki njalo, but ayikodwa isikhathi esiningi bese kwenza kumesapha yonke into, kugcina sekube ngazi ukuthi you're not professional enough, kube ngazi ukuthi manje futhi guys kanti bengathi mina ngingena u-10 because what I have is this, bese kube ngazi ukuthi